Well, okay folks, somebody said we did a pretty good table. Now I've done it. Now I've got to do another table. Guess who? Pushing for another table. And we're gonna make it beautiful. Oriental inspired 5-seater for fall, folks, right here on my take on home and garden. All right, folks, so now we've got this beautiful pumpkin colored charger from Hobby Lobby. And then our black tablecloth. And we're gonna go with our gold trimmed anniversary set by Essex. The inspiration for the table are these wonderful Oriental fine porcelain plates. You've seen them in the home tour and around. We've never really done a table yet, so I'm all excited about this one. Here is an incredible 1800s cheese box. We're gonna do a quick floral arrangement. We're gonna use a bamboo-like piece, a turning fern, which you know I like to use for fall. This incredible red fuzzy weed bush. And we've talked before about the Oriental being really probably one of the inspirations for minimalist. Some of you can relate out there, some of our good friends too. So we're gonna keep this minimal, but we're gonna make it pretty with the colors of fall. Now certainly over there, you know, they have maples. They love their maples and they love bonsaiing their maples too. So we're safe there. And that, I know, tough for me, right? Mr. Nothing's minimalist to be done, but this is our finished vase. We have this incredible geisha doll that I picked up at a yard sale. And you know, we have a few of these. Now we're gonna get coordinated with those fall colors. Minimalist as we can possibly be. Right here at my take. Okay, so we're gonna get them chargers around. We'll get those dinner plates on. Now you know we're gonna use a proper napkin. And we're gonna use 100% cotton folded napkin today on the left. Now if we were in Japan, we know we could get some of them new farm fresh apples. We would have an incredible ginger jar for biscuits. We would have something that's almost a national love for swans. So we're going to use that in our decor today. and we're going to get the rest of these salad plates on. Now we need another biscuit jar, and we have another fruit. You know we gotta have tea. We're gonna have tea, and we're gonna have cocoa, because it is cold today. Here's our blue cheese and crackers. We're gonna have our cream and sugar available there. Salt and pepper. Now you know they don't use conventional cups. Here's our little teacup, and there's a coffee cup. We're gonna add this little highlighter to our table. I'm sure over there they'd make it special. We got some different silverware here, folks. How cute can you get? It's as minimalist as I can go, folks. Now I think I'm gonna take you and show you all around. So folks, today we honored our friends and neighbors from the Far East with an Oriental inspired table. Hopefully you liked it today. Always trying to mix it up and give you something different. If you did, give us a like, a share, a subscribe, and be safe, everybody. You know you can follow us on Instagram, and we care about all our friends and subscribers. Stay safe now, and we'll see you in the next video.